Okay, so back from the Paris trip with the family, guys. I did a video for you out there talking about what's going to happen Sunday night, and it happened absolutely perfectly. I managed to bank an extra £12,000 just by knowing about this strategy where on a Friday, when there's a big down day in the stock markets, you tend to get a gap down when they open for the week on a Sunday evening at 11 p.m. London time. So just by knowing that allowed me to keep trades open. I'd already banked some profits on Friday, but I kept some trades open for that gap down on Sunday night, 11 p.m. Once it opened the markets in my brokerage account, got the gap down, boom, banked those profits straight away. It's worked for me virtually every single time for 21 odd years now. So really nice profits there just by knowing that strategy. In the future, if that ever happens, you ever see that happening in a currency pair or a commodity or a stock market index, you know that sell-off on Friday into the close, it's likely to gap down on the open on Sunday evening. All right, so fantastic trading day in our trading room. The morning move, we got that lovely early morning move this morning in the London session, but it was the morning move in the US session, the afternoon timings around 2:30 London session, where we got that morning move on the NASDAQ, which was a really nice trade to the upside. So what we were looking for is some selling on the open of the US session, and then we were looking for this major reversal to push up to a profit target. Let's dive in. I'll show you what the morning move was for the US session, and I'll show you exactly what we were looking for. Let's dive in, guys. Okay, so look, we know the NASDAQ and the DAX are all gapping down, and we know that they're pretty much red on the pro trend system. But for me, when I've traded a bear market before, and I'm sure, you know, if you're new to trading, you've probably never experienced a down market in stocks before. I've been around long enough to trade quite a few of them. Now, what I do know is that every day at some point you might get this really strong kickback rally. And for me, the morning move today, I was looking for this open at 2:30 in the London time, which is the US morning session where we get this morning move volatility. Look, the reason I was looking for a bit of a kickback, which managed to bank us an extra £400 profit, was because we'd sold off so hard. The storyteller here coming into the morning move was actually green and losing momentum down and rising, in fact. And so I was looking for long side trades. Now, what you tend to see, guys, with the US session is a reversal at 3 p.m. Okay, in the old days, it was classic. We didn't have this extended trading sessions where they open at 9 a.m. London time all the way through to like into the middle of the night. Them days, it was 1 p.m. London time, US market opens for pre-market. 2:30 we open the cash session. 3:30 market reverse. 3 o'clock, not 3:30. 3 p.m. market reversal. So I was sort of looking for that today because of that 1 hour time frame. We had this sell signal down here, red. This was a really nice trade, but I was fixed with the long side trade. So we got the new buy signal here. I only managed to get this. The reason is I got distracted by my daughter who walked into the trading office here who needed some help with her revising. So as it started to consolidate here, I'm saying, right, I'm going to bank this. I'm out. I'm done. The morning move, 400 quid, job done in no time at all. And then what happened? We explode higher. I'm sure there's a video on the channel about trading mistakes, not focusing, and this was it. Got distracted. This moves 1,000 points. It's okay. I've done really well the last couple of weeks in trading. Good start to this week. Multiple thousands of pounds profit in the European session morning move and an extra £400 profit in the US morning move as well. All right, so really nice move to the upside, and I got that absolutely, well, we got it absolutely spot on in our trading room. Okay, so NASDAQ all the way down here. You know that we get these big aggressive pullbacks, reversion back to the mean. We're still red on the system. There's no way it's a new bull market, all right? It needs time to develop the bottom. We certainly are not in a bull market. We're in a bear market. We're seeing downside. I'm going to be doing a video every single day this week except Friday because I've got to go out and play some golf in the afternoon. I'm not going to be able to do a video for you on Friday. But I'm telling you guys, I'm going to be doing a video for you every single day this week, just updating you on the color method here, where we are in this trend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give us a like, and you'll get that notification. All right. So down move is where we're at, but there's them short-term opportunities, I should say, where we could get these kickback rallies, and we can make money very quickly with those kickback rallies. We've got to manage the trade on those morning moves. All right. So trading the colors, keeping it really simple. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon.